Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my boring YouTube channel with terrible narration, according to my fans. Today, I'm just trying to make this short. So for my Shadow 2, I bought a pair of new grips. So I bought these are Brass Palm Swell GridLOK from LOKGRIPS. Come with a sticker and a business card. If you look on their website, they have a ton of different grips. These were $125. They're brass. They're also palm swell. Benefits are they're much heavier than the OEM grips, and they also are bulged, so you get a better purchase on the gun. That more of your support hand actually will end up gripping the gun. And of course, I have rabies here, can't get them open. Okay, these are the grips. Very, very grippy. Wow. The texture's pretty sharp. They're advertised 10 ounces. Comes with some screws and O-rings for mounting. Advertised at 10 ounces. Let's see what they actually weigh. 9.3. So pretty close. Call that close enough. I'll say as advertised. If it was more than an ounce off, I would probably complain. So I'll get them swapped. Just for reference here, so this is gun. It is clear. Safety Nazis. This is the empty gun. One empty magazine. We're at 2 pounds, 15.9 ounces. So we'll call it 2 pounds, 16 ounces. Let's just call it 3 pounds even. So I'll change the grips and we'll see where we're at. All right, we're back. I got the grips swapped. It only took me a few minutes. One screw on each side. Let's weigh the OEM grips right now. So 2 ounces even. So we've added 7.5 ounces approximately to the weight of the gun. Just about a half a pound. That's significant. You can see from the side profile here, the swell in the middle. So what that's going to do is it actually prevents my fingers from wrapping around this part of the grip as much. So now I have more of my support hand contacts here. So that's going to help to mitigate the recoil. They look good. You can see they're cut a little bit lower here compared to the OEM grips. You can see where the OEM grips were riding. I don't think it's going to matter. You know, most of my hand is so. Yeah, and the texture is very, very grippy. So I'm very excited to use these. So again, if you want to make the gun heavier to help with the recoil, better grip. I haven't shot with them yet. I'm sure I'll like them, but LOKGRIPS is the name. Google them. $125. Thanks for watching.